Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Milwaukee Hole Saw Set is probably one of the most versatile and durable hole saw sets on the market, perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, boasting a range of sizes to tackle various materials and projects, from woodworking and metalworking to plumbing and electrical work, ensuring clean, precise cuts every time, saving you time and effort, and ultimately making your projects easier and more efficient. Number 5. Milwaukee Big Hawg Hole Saw. This is the new Milwaukee Big Hawg Hole Saw. It's built to last and make quick work of tough jobs. It boasts a 50 times longer lifespan than standard hole saws. That means fewer replacements and more time on the job. This carbide-tipped saw easily cuts through wood with embedded nails, up to 1,000 plus nails without slowing down. The extra-large carbide teeth make for 5 times faster cuts in nail-embedded wood. You'll finish your projects in a flash. It's the perfect tool for a variety of materials, including cement board shingles, plaster, and stucco. It handles it all with ease. Weighing in at just 1.9 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, yet powerful enough to tackle the toughest jobs. What we like. If you need a hole saw that can withstand extreme conditions and last exceptionally long, this is the one for you. Its superior durability makes it ideal for tough materials and demanding tasks. If you're tackling projects with lots of nails or working with tough materials like cement board, this is your best bet. What people say. Great bit chews through wood grate and nails are barely a nuisance. I purchased this bit because I needed to install some recessed lights in my patio. The ceiling is plywood stuccoed over. This bit delivered perfect circles while eating through the stucco. The chicken wire used to hold it was no match either. It drills the siding like cutting into hot butter. One of the best hole saw ever used. Number 4. Milwaukee 49-22-4185 Hole Saw Kit. This 28-piece kit is designed for professionals who demand the best. It's built for ease of use and long-lasting performance. It's incredibly durable, exceeding the lifespan of competitors. This is due to its innovative design and high-quality materials. This kit is manufactured right here in the United States, ensuring the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship. The ice-hardened teeth provide up to 50% longer life compared to other hole saws. This means less downtime and more productivity. The Matrix 2 bimetal teeth are incredibly strong and durable, ensuring a long service life. They provide superior performance and reliability. The positive rake angle ensures fast cutting, while the radius tooth back reduces stress on the teeth for a longer lifespan. This translates to efficiency and longevity. Deeper billets allow for fast chip removal, and the functional slot geometry makes plug removal a breeze. This means less time spent on cleanup and more time on the job. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a wide variety of sizes to cover most of your needs. It's built to last longer than the competition thanks to its ice-hardened construction. If you need a versatile and durable set for various applications, this kit is a great choice. What people say. This kit is extremely high quality and has many sizes for most tasks a handy homeowner craftsman will run into. I have drilled several holes of various sizes with this kit and have been extremely pleased with the results. The case design is well thought out and keeps my workshop organized. Very sharp and extremely easy to remove cut material, a lot of pieces for price. The key thing when using these hole saws is drill on low speed that will keep the bit cooler and the paint will stay on. I love the way it's in the case and there are so many different sizes. Many times I want or need that different size in the past I just didn't have it. But now I do. It's a super tool kit to have on my side now. Number 3. Milwaukee 49-22-4029 Hole Dozer Set. This 17-piece set gives you the versatility to tackle various projects. It's built to last, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox. You'll find the perfect size for your needs, ranging from 3/4 inch to 2 to 1/2 inches. This comprehensive set ensures you're prepared for any job. It features an exceptionally strong tooth form with added steel for superior durability and a longer lifespan. Experience the difference of premium construction. The innovative plug jack design allows for quick and easy plug removal. Save time and effort on every project. This set is made with bimetal construction and 8% cobalt for increased wear resistance. It's designed to withstand even the toughest materials. The set comes with a sturdy case for easy storage and transport. Keep your tools organized and ready to go. What we like. This kit offers a nice selection of sizes in a convenient case. The innovative rip guard and plug jack features ensure efficient and safe cutting. If you value convenience and ease of use, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. First off, these hole saws are sharp and work exactly like you hoped they would from a premium brand. They are also designed in a way that allows the puck of wood to come out fairly easy. This is the best all-in-one hole saw kit I've owned. It doesn't have all the sizes I've needed, however close counts. Pretty cheap option for the do-it-yourselfers, and they quality pretty durable. These cut well and are long-lasting for most uses. Number 2. Milwaukee 49-22-4025 Hole Saw Kit. This 13-piece kit is designed for ease of use and handling, making various tasks simple and efficient. It's built to last. You can depend on it for countless projects. This kit tackles a wide range of materials and hole sizes, making it perfect for any job. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable and controlled cutting, even during extended use. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. Get started right away. You're getting the trusted performance and reliability that Milwaukee is known for. What we like. This is a great starter kit that's easy to use and handle. It's highly durable and perfect for everyday use. If you are looking for a basic, reliable kit for general-purpose applications, this is a good option. What people say. Love the hard case and functionality of the new hole saws. The plastic box itself is a good one, very sturdy, heavy plastic with a strong latch. The arbors are cleverly designed to change out quickly and easily. Number 1. Milwaukee 49-22-4105 Hole Saw Kit. This 19-piece kit is designed for ease of use, even for the most demanding jobs. Its innovative design makes quick work of any project. It's built to last. This kit is manufactured in the United States with ice-hardened technology for superior durability. This kit features ice-hardened teeth, providing up to 50% longer life compared to competitors. Experience the difference of superior construction. The Matrix 2 bimetal teeth deliver greater durability and a longer lifespan. You'll get more cuts from each use. The positive rake angle ensures fast cutting, while the radius tooth back reduces stress on the teeth for extended life. It's engineered for efficiency. Deeper gullets allow for fast chip removal, and the functional slot geometry makes plug removal a breeze. This kit is designed for smooth, efficient operation. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of sizes and the same superior durability as the 28-piece kit. Its ice-hardened teeth ensure a long lifespan, making it a worthwhile investment for professionals. If you're a professional and need a durable, long-lasting kit, this is the one for you. What people say. So far, I've used these saws to cut holes in plastic, drywall, and red oak. Minding speed for material being cut, the results have always been outstanding. I've had opportunity to chuck the saws in both a 18V cordless drill and a 16.5 drill press with no problems. This kit provides a great range of sizes and these guys stay sharp. Very nice case set up wisely which conserves room yet still makes each of the saws easily accessible. The kit itself is a little pricey but it was about 30% less on Amazon than my local hardware stores, so I saved some money. As far as the hole saws are concerned, you get 2 arbors and 14 hole sails ranging from 3/4 all the way up to 4/3/4. All the hole saws fit neatly into the case and there's even room for more if you decide to add a couple. The hole saws themselves are made of ice-hardened steel with bimetal teeth. The gullets are deeper than some of my other hole saws, and Milwaukee designed these saws with a radius tooth back and positive rake angle which gives you more control and faster cutting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.